These socks paired with these shoes is what helped me trek across the world in a desert for 15 miles on my feet over 3 days in 85 degrees to 110 degrees Fahrenheit weather without a single blister. These socks look thick and you're probably thinking, how are these supposed to work in temperatures of that kind and avoid blisters? But they do, and you have to trust that, because I was skeptical myself, but I got these anyway and just hoped for the best, and it was seriously the best. These are double layered socks and they're mostly for running, but I use these for my 15-mile walk. The inside of these socks has a moisture wicking fabric that prevents your feet from sweating and keeps your feet dry, even in the hot temperatures I was in. I was wearing these all day and took them off only at night. Obviously, I got multiple pairs. What happens is that the outer layer and the inner layer rub against each other, so it's not rubbing against your feet, and in turn, you don't get blisters. So these socks, coupled with the right shoes, is the combination for success. This 100% worked for me. I came out of that journey without a single blister.